If you'd love a career with animals and agriculture, then look no further than Coleg Gwent Usk campus. Beautifully located in the Monmouthshire countryside, we are fully equipped with dedicated small animal, reptile and Blue Cross cat rehoming centres, purpose-built indoor and outdoor equine arenas, veterinary surgeries, grooming salons, and complete with a 296-acre working farm. Our courses are designed to give you hands-on experience alongside the academic theory needed to get your dream career off the ground. With courses from level 1 up to degree level in some of our more specialised subjects, such as veterinary nursing and animal health and welfare, there's plenty of opportunity for progression. Practical lessons will bring you into contact with a great variety of animals, and most of our courses also include an industry work placement. In addition, you can expect to cover a mix of topics such as genetics and anatomy, managing farmland and livestock, small animal handling, behaviour, nutrition, and much more. And if you're keen on travelling, your studies could even open doors to work abroad, from the likes of conservation work in Africa to big cat rescue in the USA. Find out more about our animal care and management courses via our course search, or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.